Winter is here and you know what that means. It's time to get our Tesla's winter ready. So this time I'm gonna change the tires. If you haven't changed the tires yet, join me and let's do it together. We gotta have the right tools for changing the tires. So here are the required tools. I have an impact driver with an impact adapter. So this one has 21mm socket, and here is the torque wrench set to 129 pound-foot, and this one also has 21mm socket. And here's the breaker bar with 21mm socket. Instead of an impact wrench, I'm using an impact driver with an adapter. Another important tool is a jack with a Tesla jack pad or pucks. So here is the puck. So this is used to raise the car. I'm going to list all the essential tools required for changing Tesla tires. Floor jack, 3-ton capacity, jack pad, torque wrench, breaker bar, lug nut sockets. Buy 3 of them to be more efficient with your time. Cordless tire inflator, wheel chocks. Next, I'm going to list a couple of optional tools, but if you have these, tightening and loosening the lug nuts will get easier. Impact wrench. Now, if you have the impact driver, you have to get the impact adapter. The links for buying all these tools I'll post in the description below. Check that out. Alright, I have all the tools ready, and here's the winter tire. So I'm going to switch from summer to winter tire, and I've marked it. When I removed the tire, I've marked it. FL means front left. So my winter tires are directional, so check your tires. It could be directional or non-directional. So now the front left tire, it will go to the back left. Here is a better explanation. My winter tires are directional, the first diagram. So as the arrow shows, it can only go front to rear. For non-directional tires, my summer tires were non-directional. So that's for all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. It has to be X pattern. So second diagram, look at the arrows. Sometimes the tires will be of different size and non-directional. In that case, it will be side to side. So it's the third diagram. Tesla recommends rotating the tires every 6,250 miles or 10,000 kilometers. Before changing the tires, it's very important you park the car on a level surface. So next I'm going to place a chuck, one behind the front wheel and the second one goes behind the rear wheel so the car doesn't roll over. First I'm going to remove the wheel cover. So it's pretty tight, so I have to apply some pressure, and also I have to be very gentle. I don't want to break the cover. So yep, it's coming off, and so here's the wheel cover. I'm going to keep it in a safe place. Next step is to loosen the lug nut. I'm using a breaker bar with 21mm socket. So attach the socket to the lug nut, apply some pressure, yep, and bring the handle down, and this will loosen up the lug nut. So I'm gonna loosen up all the lug nuts. So don't completely remove it, just loosen them up. Somebody give me a Red Bull so I have the stamina to do this. Well, it's not that easy, but it's not hard either, so I'm gonna keep doing. I have the jack here, and here's the Tesla jack pad or puck. So the puck has to go over here. There's a slot for that on the jack. So I'm gonna keep the jack close to the car. Under the car, here's one of the lift points, so the puck has to go into this hole. Here's the diagram from Tesla Model Y manual. So there are 4 lift points underneath. So the lift points are highlighted in green. In reality, this is how it looks like due to the accumulation of dirt. I'm keeping the puck into the lift point and then keep the puck on the jack. Make sure the puck is placed over here on the jack, so this is perfect. Next, I'm going to raise the car, so pull the jack handle up and down so that will raise the car. Now I like doing this. This is kind of fun. So the car is raised. Now don't move the jack, let it be there. Next I'm going to remove the lug nuts. I'm using an impact driver. This has an impact adapter and 21mm socket. So this is very easy. Using this we can remove the lug nuts pretty easily. Here are the lug nuts, so keep them safe. So next I'm going to remove the tire. Gently, so not really gently, have to apply some pressure to remove the tire. The summer tire is off, so next I'm gonna keep the winter tire. Keep the tire and next I'm gonna attach the lug nuts. I'm using the impact driver with the impact adapter and 21mm socket to tighten the lug nuts. Next I'm gonna lower the car and take the jack away from the car. Now it's time to use a torque wrench. So this is set to 129 pound-foot. So that's the Tesla's recommended torque setting. Attach the 21mm socket over the lug nut and pull the handle down. So this will tighten the lug nut. Repeat this on all the lug nuts and tighten them. Woohoo! All done! Before putting the wheel cover, I'm going to fill air. So I have the inflator. I'm going to plug it in my Tesla. So there is a port in the trunk of Tesla. I'm going to set it to 42 psi and then turn it on. This will stop when it reaches 42 psi. Take the inflator off and then I'm going to close with the cap. The final step is to put the wheel cover. So this is from Basinor. This is matte black Cyclone wheel cover. Looks so sleek. Looking good. My Tesla is now winter ready and I'm giving myself a pat on the back for a job well done. Repeat these steps while changing the other tires. The final step is get into your car and click on service on the screen and then click on wheel and tire. So you have to click on tire and make sure it's changed to winter. So it will automatically change. And now if you have rotated the tires, you have to click the reset button. So it will reset the miles or kilometers. Changing your Tesla's tires is not that hard. So by doing it ourselves, we save a trip to the service center and also we can save some money and it's also fun. I'll post all the tool links in the description below. Check that out. I hope you guys found this video helpful. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more Tesla videos. Until then, take care everyone and bye.